Welcome to yet another podcast on our channel Radio X. Today's guest speaker is none other than our own science teacher, Dr. Aradhana Bhatnagar, who has been teaching biology since 2006. With a superb experience of 33 years, Dr. Bhatnagar holds special interest and passion for literature. She has poured out her emotions in the form of poetry and has launched her own book, Zindagi Phir Bhi Muskurati Hai. The title sounds pretty philosophical. Let's hear it from Dr. Bhatnagar about keeping the fire kindling always, and of course, more about the book itself. Firstly, hearty congratulations, Dr. Aradhana Bhatnagar, at the launch of your book. Please tell us something more about it.
Science explains how things work. Sahitya explores why things matter. Being a biology teacher, my journey from understanding life processes to understanding feelings and emotions of life is a journey from science to साहित्य. जीव विज्ञान पढ़ाते पढ़ाते जीवन का विज्ञान, जीवन की कला को मैं साहित्य के माध्यम से ही एक सुनिश्चित दिशा दे पाई हूँ. Science actually trained my mind. Sahitya nurtured my heart. Science gave me logic, understanding, discipline, curiosity. But Sahitya gave me expression, empathy, imagination. It is an expansion of my feelings, my experiences and vision. And what I think is science and Sahitya complement each other beautifully.
There must be something that sparked a thought in you that propelled you to pen your philosophy of life into poetry, and poetry into a book titled Zindagi Phir Bhi Muskurati Hai.
Actually, emotions have their own pace, and words are the instrument for the feelings and emotions. So I started writing down my emotions to just express myself. It is not to impress. लिखना मेरे लिए मानसिक शांति और मानसिक शक्ति का एक प्रबल सूत्र बन गया. जीवन के अनुभवों को जब मैंने शब्दों में उकेरना प्रारंभ किया तो मुझे असीम मानसिक संतुष्टि मिली और मेरी सृजनात्मकता भी परिपोषित होती गई. Besides this, life teaches us many lessons we often forget if we don't pen down. So writing is my way of preserving these experiences and also transfer it to others.
What are some of the things you learnt along the way while publishing this book?
Firstly, I have to learn how the publishing business works. Then going through the edits. The real challenge was to understand the advanced technique and technologies, right from designing the book cover to font size, selecting an appropriate font size and all. And the real challenge was keeping one calm till the waiting period. But once when I saw my book in my hand, all hurdles were worth it.
What relevance does your book have to the present Gen Z, which needs constant guidance, inspiration, and mentoring along the lines of positivity and mental health, which is a big concern nowadays?
See, students really have a challenging future. They are facing ups and downs in life. They need to go continuously in spite of all colors in life. Poem 16th, पुनः पुनः कर प्रयास, जो मैं विशेषकर विद्यार्थियों को समर्पित करना चाहूँगी. सूरज कब छिपा है घटाओं के घिर जाने से, उजियारा होकर ही रहता है अंधेरी निशा के बीत जाने से. गिरना कोई गुनाह नहीं, हार जाना कोई अपराध नहीं, पछताना नहीं धकेले जाने पर या पराजित हो जाने पर. चाहे कितनी ही हो बाधाएं या चट्टाने रोके रास्ता, सागर से मिलकर रहता है निरंतर बहकर जल प्रवाह. ये जो तेरे सपने हैं नित्य तुझे बुलाते हैं, मेहनत से परिपोषित कर आशा का संचार करें. ना दुख, ना चिंता, ना होना निराश और हताश, स्वयं को ना कमजोर समझ, यह नहीं है तेरा अंतिम प्रयास. फिर एक और कोशिश कर, आगे कदम बढ़ाना है, भागीरथी है शक्ति तेरी, हर हाल में लक्ष्य को पाना है। हो शत विशत तो ठहरो, कुछ पल कर लो विश्राम, फिर नवीन आशा से पुनः पुनः कर प्रयास, पुनः पुनः कर प्रयास।
इंसानों की बस्ती में इंसान ढूंढना मुश्किल है, हर चेहरा है रंगा हुआ, असल देखना मुश्किल है। रंग बिरंगे चेहरे हैं, तरह तरह के रूप धरे, जीवन के रंगमंच पर स्वांग सजाए सभी खड़े। हर अवसर का अलग है रंग, हर वक्त की रंगत है खास, जब चाहा जैसे रंग लिया और जब चाहा तब बदल दिया। What would be your message for your students, listeners and teaching fraternity?
What I would like to tell them is keep going in all cases. Do not worry about small changes, small hurdles, other people's opinion. You have to stick to your goal and keep going. Believe in yourself, believe in your strength.
Once again, hearty congratulations Dr. Aradhana Bhatnagar at the launch of your book titled जिंदगी फिर भी मुस्कुराती है। हम भी चाहेंगे हमारे श्रोताओं की तरफ से कि आप भी हमेशा यूं ही मुस्कुराते रहें और this book reaches many of your readers and fans. Thank you so much for joining in. We truly hope you'll be with us in the upcoming episodes where many more voices, emotions and perspectives will be aired and shared with you. Don't forget to tune in to Radio X where ideas and thoughts come out of nowhere.